Today I will show you a new Rubble earning website which has been here for only 3 days. The registration link of this website is given to you in the description. They have 10 Rubbles for registration along with no caps of withdrawal, and they give withdrawal without any investment. There are no points or no cash points. They have no restrictions on payments, and they give 100 silver on each referral you invite to this site. They have 20% referral commission and 100% withdrawal when you sell coins, and most importantly they have auto payment. To register on this site, click on link in description below and click on check in. After that, this interface will be shown to you. Fill in your username, email, password, repeat your password. After that, input your payer wallet, pass this captcha and tick the box. After that, click on register now. After you register into this site, put your details here and click on to come in. I will log in my account and meet you after. After you have logged in into your account, you will get 1000 silvers for purchase balance. Click on buy phone. After you click on buy phone, you will buy a Huawei phone which cost 1000 silver coins. After that, you come to collecting coins and you can collect the coins which have been mined by the phones. As you can see, I have 7 coins which have been mined, and you can only collect your coins every 10 minutes. They have a referral contest in which you can earn tons of money along with your referrals, in which you can have or see your referral link. Coming to daily bonus, you can see that I have collected 69 silvers as a daily bonus. Going to 1 hour bonus and getting the bonus, you can see the amount of silver that I get from this bonus. And when I go to the this is my 12-hour bonus. As you can see, I had rubles 180 rubles on purchase balance, so I am going to purchase another phone. After that, when you want to withdraw, click here, and as you can see, they give withdrawal without any cut type of investment, and you can also see your last 10 payments. You can also go and exchange your withdrawal balance into balance for purchases. You can also invest in this website by clicking on top up balance. You can invest any amount of ruble. So this was all for today. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.